Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of USD CAD, and as you can see, I am in the 4 hours time frame, my favorite. And if you watch my previous videos on the USD CAD, then I guess you can recognize these lines. Okay. And if you have not, then watch the video carefully. Okay. So at first, let's do the analysis. So if you look at the overall chart, then there is no denial, no doubt that market is in downtrend. Okay. And as we all know, a market like this, okay, a market like this is generally a sell on rise market. Means that whenever market goes up, it gets resistance and we get the opportunity to short the market. Okay, in this case it was getting resistance from the 50 moving average. See, whenever market was going up, it was getting resistance from the 50 moving average, and we made good money. We got plenty of opportunities from the 50 moving average. Whenever market was going up, it was reversing from the 50 moving average, we shorted the market. But the things have changed right now, because see, market is in downtrend, there is no doubt about it. Okay, but if we look at this particular portion, we can easily see that the market is no more in downtrend, rather market is in a sideways. Okay, market is in a range right now. And when market was falling, I already, before this sideways range, I told you before only that market will be in sideways range for some time. And yes, market is still in the same sideways zone. Market has not come out. So what should be a strategy then? Okay, before jumping to the strategy, I would like to show you the weekly chart. Okay, if you have watched my previous video on USD CAD, then you know what I'm going to say. See, this is the weekly chart of USD CAD, and see, market is getting support from this price level. Okay, from this price level. Okay, and this price level belongs to the year 2017, and right now we are in 2021. So though this support is quite old, okay, but still this support level is very valid, because see, in the year 2016, when market was very much bullish, okay, just look at the buying pressure, the bullishness of the market. When market was very bullish, market went up, and from this particular price point, market started coming down, market started falling, and this price level is still acting as a resistance. After this sharp fall, when market went up again in the year 2020, market faced the resistance. So this resistance is still valid. The resistance from the 2016 is still valid. Therefore, the support from the 2017 is also valid. Okay, and as you can see, it is a valid support, because see, market is market is falling, or market is in downtrend since 2020. It's been more than 1 year. Market is still falling. Okay, but still, but after coming down to this particular price level, market is in a range right now. Okay, somehow this level is trying to provide the support, somewhat it's trying to hold the market. Okay, it's trying to hold the sharp fall. Okay, and it is trying its best. Okay, and right now our duty is to observe the market and see how it does. Okay, so what should be a strategy then? Okay, you can see that I have drawn two lines here. Okay, and considering the this portion of the market, okay, considering this portion of the market, we can see that, or we can easily understand that yes, bulls have come in. Okay, previously market was being dominated by the sellers, but right now buyers are also there in the market, and they are trying to push the price upward. They are trying to hold the price. Okay, they are trying to hold the price. As a result, market is in a range. Therefore, we will have to wait for the market to cross this level. market will have to either cross this level on the upside, 1.2208 on the upside and 1.2015 on the downside. Okay. Until and unless market cross these two levels, okay, or any of the level, we will not get any direction. If you are looking for a bigger trade, or if you are looking for a long trade, okay, then you'll have to wait for the market to cross either this level or this level. In case market crosses this level, okay, then we will get a buying opportunity. Okay, but looking at the present condition of the market, there's a very less chance that market will cross this level. Okay, so I will not be discussing about the strategy that we need to follow if market crosses this level. Okay, so we need to focus on this level only, because see, if you can look at this line, then you can see that right now market is standing at a support. So see, if you want to take a trade in USD CAD, then safest trade for you will be right now if market crosses this level. Okay, if market crosses this level with good amount of volume, remember, volume is required, because this level is extremely important. This support is extremely important for the market. So if market crosses this level with good amount of volume, then you can short the market. Okay, but remember, you need to wait for at least two candles required. So you need a confirmation of at least two candles, then only you should short the market below this level. And if you are an experienced trader, who can scalp, okay, then you can go for a buy order if market reverses or bounces from here. Do not expect much profit. Okay, 20 pips, 30 pips enough. Okay, if market bounces from here. On the other hand, if you do not want to risk your hard-earned money, you want a safe trade, clean trade, then this chart is not for you. Okay, you can only trade on this chart if market crosses this level with good amount of volume and good confirmation. Then only you should short the market. Market is in downtrend. Following the trend, you should short the market. But market will have to cross this level. Then only. Or market crosses this level, then again you will get an opportunity. But today market is not going to cross this level. So this level is not required for today. So let's see. If you want to scalp, you know how to scalp. You are a good trader, you are an experienced trader, then you can go for a buy order here if market bounces. Okay, but otherwise no. Let the market cross this level, then you can short the market. Okay, this is a strategy that you can follow for USD CAD for today. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.